Okay, so we are going to replace a cabin filter on 2019 Honda Ridgeline. In order to do that, you go on your passenger side in the glove box, open it to this point, and you want to pinch in either side at the same time, and it'll easily open. It's very easy to do. Hopefully you can see there what I'm doing. Just pinching either side and pulling it open. And you can see these edges very nimble. And when you close it, you don't even have to pinch it. It helps. You don't want to force it, but it should just close on its own. And then right down in here, you got a tab on either side. And the same thing there. You need to pinch both sides. You can do it individually or at the same time. I've never changed mine. It's been 50,000 miles. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh, we are full of leaves, and the filter is extremely dirty. So now what we're gonna have to do is just pop that thing out of there. It just slides right out. And that's the details on it. It says 200818 Honda 1645839. This one's actually made in the USA. So that pulls out, and just want to discard it. And then I got a new one. This is the Fram replacement. What says this is the replacement. So it's just going to slide in that drawer and pull out. So I'm going to set this down for a second, and we're going to pull. So if you look on this new filter, it has a side with some writing on it. You can see here. And it says airflow with some arrows. And the airflow arrows in my case are down. So you want to put it into the drawer with the airflow arrows facing down. So mine's going to slide into this drawer just like this. And you can see there's a little lip on either side. You want to make sure that it's in the lip. See that lip that goes around either side. So I'm going to again put this down so I can get the edges of my filter into the drawer.